Every Muslim parent dreams of the best future for their child. But what greater honor is there than for your child to become a Hafiz of Quran?
The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The one who was devoted to the Quran will be told, recite, ascend, and recite carefully as you recited carefully in the world. Your final station will be where you reach the last verse you recite." Mishkat al-Masabih 2134. The scholars explain that the man of Quran refers primarily to a Hafiz, one who has memorized the Quran. Mullah Ali Qari rahimahullah states, "This honor is exclusive to those who carry the Quran in their hearts. It does not apply to one who only reads by looking into the book. The proof lies in the narration from Musnad Ahmad, till he reads of whatever Quran is with him. Therefore, the greater a person's connection with the Quran in this world, the higher their rank in the hereafter. But there is also a warning. The people of Quran are not simply those who recite with their tongues. The Quran itself curses those who recite it but oppose its teachings. As the scholars mention, there are many readers of the Quran upon whom the Quran itself invokes curses. So, the true man of Quran is the one who not only memorizes but lives by the Quran with sincerity, obedience, and righteous action.